everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a map. I know a lot of you guys keep track of what states you send your packages to, but I actually found an easier way that doesn't require you to manually keep track and color in the states and stuff. I know that's fun, so you can still do that, but I have a faster way just in case you want to do it real quick and pull out some data and stuff like that. So I have a screen recording of me doing it. It takes probably 5 minutes at most. It depends on how slow your computer is. Mine's very slow, so it takes 5 minutes at most. So I'm going to show you that now, and then you can see how easy it is. Okay, so what you need is a blank Excel sheet open, and then you need your Poshmark sales report in the other sheet. So first thing you want to do on the blank sheet, you want to go up and press 3D Maps in the Insert tab and press Open 3D Maps. This will enable it, and then that way you'll be able to add data to it. So you just want to minimize that, and you want to take your Poshmark sales report and copy the whole thing over to the other Excel sheet. And now we're done with the sales report one. So next what you want to do is delete rows 1 through 11 and highlight the whole thing, and we want to make this into a pivot table. So press pivot table over here, okay, and then we want to scroll down and press buyer state, and then we want to drag buyer state over to values. This way we have every state and how many times we've sent to that state. So you want to highlight all the states and all the values. Don't highlight the blank. Copy it and just paste it right beside it. Do a paste special and paste just the values. So then this is already highlighted. You take this and go to Insert, press the 3D Maps again, and press Add Selected Data to 3D Maps. Your 3D maps will come up, and now you can see there's dots on the states to where you've sent to, and the last step is just come over here and press change the visualization to region. You press that, and then all your states are highlighted to where you sent to. Now the one thing, if you can see over here it says 80%, you can press on it and see which ones aren't registering with Excel. So I'm not sure why this is happening, but I have yet to figure it out. So if I figure it out, I'll share it to you, or if you guys know, please let me know. But it's not working, but it's 80% accurate. These are the only two that it hasn't plotted, which as you can see, I have shipped to Ohio and a few other ones, but it's pretty accurate. So I just thought this was fun. It's really simple and it's really easy, and this is a good way to do it. See, told you it was easy. It's really cool, and I'm really excited that I found this and I learned this, because I think it's really cool just to see where I sent to. Now there are a few flaws in it that I'm trying to figure out. I'm not like an Excel guru or anything, and I think maybe it's because my Excel is an earlier version of Excel, but those things I was talking about, how it wasn't picking up the ME for, I don't even know what state that is, but it wasn't picking up Illinois, I know. And I'm not sure why, but I mean, it still gives you a good gist of where you sent to. I've sent to everywhere except 2 or 3 states, I think. So if you're in North Dakota, check out my closet, because I know I haven't sent there. But that's just a cool way to show you where you've sent and stuff. And you can do other cool things with it, like the volume that you've sent there. So California, I've sent 54 packages or something, so I can actually make it so California pops up a little bit more based on how many things I've sent to each state. So that's other things to do. You can really play around with it, and you can really make it look cool. But I just wanted to show you a simple way, just if you have a few spare minutes and you want to see where you've sent to. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.